Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and market observers. Welcome back to Key to Crypto, or KTC. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the latest Bitcoin news and updates. All right, folks, buckle up because we're diving deep into the crypto rabbit hole. The million-dollar question echoing through the crypto cosmos. Do you sell and secure those profits, or do you continue the holding journey? Let's dissect this. The percentage of Bitcoin supply stagnant for over a year just punched through the 70% milestone. Mind-blowing, right? I'm no psychic, but I sense an uptrend for Bitcoin and crypto, complete with its roller coaster of dips. Brace yourselves for those. They're part of the ride. But here's my conviction. When the market takes a dip, Bitcoin won't just slump. It'll make a higher low, especially as we approach the January 10th ARK Invest ETF date. Now, let's zoom out and examine the bigger picture, the world's current state of affairs. We ask you to see beyond the trees and grasp the fiscal tornado the US is swirling in. We've crossed the Rubicon. The monetary base is expanding on autopilot to cover the mounting government debt's interest. Now for the bombshell, Bitcoin is destined for $500,000 per coin by 2030. It's not wild moonboy math, it's cold, hard arithmetic. If someone tells you otherwise, they're either mathematically challenged or haven't done their crypto homework. Jack Mallers, the CEO behind the Bitcoin Lightning Network's PayPal equivalent, Strike, spills the beans on why Bitcoin is heading to the stratosphere. Brace yourselves because he paints a vivid future. Bitcoin soaring to hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin. Why? Well, our beloved US government is drowning in trillions of dollars of debt, and it's got to roll it over. What follows? Printing spree. Financial assets will skyrocket, and Bitcoin, being the scarcity champion, will lead the pack. But wait, it's not just Uncle Sam in the spotlight. Globally, advanced nations are about to shell out a mind-bending $2 trillion on interest alone. Jack's crystal ball reveals a relentless spending spree, a monetary merry-go-round that's coming back to haunt the nations drowning in fiat. Fiat currency might be on thin ice, folks. In Jack's words, if he had a message for America, it'd be a wake-up call. The US government has a hefty $1 trillion debt to refinance in the next 2 years. And let's face it, paying it back isn't a real option. What are the alternatives? Admitting to a colossal screw-up and letting everything fall like a house of cards, or embracing the reality that fiat's days are numbered? Hold on tight, because Jack's call to action is clear. The US is in a colossal debt dilemma, and the choices are dire. As we go through this financial crossroads, Bitcoin emerges as the beacon of financial sanity. It's not just going to the moon, it's setting a course for the stars. Fasten your seatbelts. This crypto journey is far from over. Switching gears, let's first learn more about who Jack Mallers is. Born in 1994 into a family deeply rooted in finance, Mallers, the third-gen torchbearer, chose a different path. After a stint at St. John's University and a detour to the Starter School, a coding haven in Chicago, Mallers began his tech odyssey, crafting apps that range from aiding wheelchair-accessible transportation to empowering personal trainers. His tryst with crypto began in 2013, sparked by his father. By 2017, he was captivated by the Lightning Network's potential. Recognizing its transformative power, Mallers set out to simplify its usage, creating the user-friendly non-custodial wallet, Zap, in 2018. Initially aimed at cannabis dispensaries, Zap faced challenges before evolving into Olympus, a fiat-to-Bitcoin on-ramp feature, in 2019. The breakthrough came with Strike in 2020, a rebranding of Olympus. Strike stripped away barriers, allowing users to transact via Lightning Network without navigating the intricacies of Bitcoin. Its custodial model facilitated fiat transactions without requiring users to purchase Bitcoin, making the Lightning Network accessible to everyone. Strike's impact rippled globally through partnerships with crypto exchange Bittrex, Prime Trust for custody services, and integration with Twitter's API for Bitcoin tipping. Mallers' vision extended to El Salvador, where he played a pivotal role in making Bitcoin legal tender, addressing financial inclusion and remittance challenges. Mallers' journey, driven by a commitment to innovation, financial inclusion, and a belief in Bitcoin's potential, underscores his profound impact on the crypto space. In other news, they've got a wild card in their government playbook, printing more money. But here's the catch. When they hit the print button, they're swiping from everyone holding those trusty US dollars. Altcoin news, Solana holders, listen up. Nearly 1 million of you are in for a potential windfall with the Jupiter airdrop. 4 billion Jupe tokens up for grabs. Are you eligible? If you've thrown around at least 1,000 in swap volume, next week could be your lucky week. More on Solana. Solana, SOL, has been the shining star in a week marked by crypto market volatility, showcasing an impressive 12% gain in its weekly chart. The coin surged by 5.5% on November 28th, hitting a trading price of $1.58, riding high on the successful retest of the $1.54 support level that bolstered investor confidence. As of the latest update, SOL is trading at $58.29, flaunting a 24-hour trading volume of $1 billion, reflecting a notable 15.39% increase. Holding firm in the #6 position on CoinMarketCap, Solana boasts a market cap of $24 billion. While some attribute SOL's recent rally to the broader positive momentum in the crypto market amidst challenging macroeconomic conditions, the network's integral role and flourishing ecosystem play a significant part in propelling the token's value. In September, SOL faced downward pressure due to concerns about a potential sell-off of FTX bankruptcy assets, including over $600 million worth of SOL tokens. These fears were allayed as it became evident that most assets were subject to vesting periods or staking, and cryptocurrency sales were capped at $100 million per week. Despite macroeconomic influences, Solana's NFT and dApps activity has been pivotal in driving its recent surge. With over 40,000 active addresses in the top 6 dApps over the last 7 days, Solana seems poised for sustained growth. As investors speculate on SOL's future, the coin has witnessed 18 out of 30, 60%, green days in the last 30 days, with a price volatility of 19.52%. Solana price predictions anticipate a 1.1% decrease, possibly dropping to $55.48 by November 30th, 2023. Technical indicators suggest a neutral bullish market sentiment of 61%, and the Fear and AMP Greed Index stands at 68. Greed. Experts foresee a December 2023 forecast for SOL, ranging from $55.48 to a potential high of $63.81, with an average value around $59.65 and a potential ROI of 14%. SOL continues to attract funds, with $12.4 million in inflows reported in the previous week, indicating investor bullishness. Despite ongoing concerns about FTX's liquidation of SOL holdings, the coin's stellar performance this year, coupled with bullish predictions from analysts, and even ChatGPT forecasting a potential 700% rally to $500 in 2024, keeps investors stocking up on SOL. In other news, someone just splashed $400,000 on an Ethereum NFT featuring none other than Vitalik. Talk about crypto art breaking records. The speculators are back, signaling the return of the bull market. Cheers to that. Now, Chainlink, our crypto crush. The tokenomics are stellar, especially as we gear up for the next bull run. Chainlink's genius lies in its ecosystem. Need Chainlink services? You gotta grab some Link. Simple. Utility over everything, my friends. Chainlink, the trailblazing decentralized computing protocol, has just upped its staking game with the launch of Chainlink Staking V0, 2, unveiling an expanded pool size of a whopping 45 million Link. In a bold move, a 9-day priority migration period kicks off today, ushering existing V0. Want stakers to seamlessly transition their stake Link and rewards to this shiny new version. The doors swing wide open for other enthusiasts through early access on December 7th and general access on December 11th, allowing users to stake up to 15,000 Link. The decision to scale up the staking pool to 45 million Link, equivalent to 8% of the current circulating supply, is Chainlink's strategic play to foster a more inclusive community of Link token holders. This expansion is a pivotal move within the framework of Chainlink's Economics 2.0 master plan, adding an extra layer of muscle to the network's security. Renowned as the go-to Oracle network in the crypto realm, Chainlink ensures a seamless flow of real-world data to blockchain applications. Chainlink staking made its grand entrance in December, elevating the utility of the token and empowering link holders to support Oracle services performance, all while reaping the rewards for fortifying the network. Initially tailored for staking to secure the Ethereum ETH USD price feed, the pool was capped at 25 million link tokens. The revamped V0 2 version takes a giant leap forward with a more flexible unbonding mechanism, allowing stakers to withdraw their tokens with newfound efficiency, all packaged with enhanced security guarantees. But that's not all. Chainlink Staking V0 2 flaunts dynamic rewards mechanisms that elegantly pave the way for embracing new sources of rewards in the future, adding a touch of future-proofing wizardry to the mix, as per the team's announcement. Exciting times ahead for Chainlink stakers diving into this evolved ecosystem. In other news, here's the golden rule. Have that take-profit strategy locked and loaded. Don't sleep on it. Going full speed ahead into 2024 with the pending ETF approval, the Bitcoin halving, and real altcoin projects flexing their value. This cycle is a game changer, and retail, they're not even in the building yet. That's it for now. If you liked today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Until next time. And remember, the future of finance is here with KTC.